Good evening, everybody. Come on in. And for real, y'all, this time, this is my last trip to the store. I had to go and pick up a few more items. And while I was fooling around here in the kitchen and setting stuff out, I thought, you know, Kareem and I need to eat. So I'm going to let y'all see what we're going to have for dinner tonight. Just some pan-fried salmon and some California blend vegetables. All I did with this salmon, just cut it in pieces. Season it up good with some garlic powder, lemon pepper, and some Gold Mountain seasoning. And this is a 1 pound piece of salmon, by the way, from Food Line. And in this pan over here, a pound and a half of California blend vegetables. And I put some sweet soy sauce on it, about a tablespoon of that. I put about a teaspoon of garlic powder on it, a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning on it. And I'm frying it right in butter. So that's it. This is going to be Kareem and I, what we're going to eat for dinner tonight. So anyway, let's get over here and see turn this fish right quick though. You know, this fish has the skin on it. So what I do is I put some oil in the pan and just let it cook. Because I'll eat that skin if I get it nice and fish like I want to. Yeah, it's like ready to be turned over in a minute here. I'm going to put a little bit more oil in that pan, but I'm just going to flip it over and let it continue to cook. So while that's cooking right there, I'm just going to let it cook because it's kind of frozen a little bit. Let's get over here to, okay, here's what I'm trying to get, Lord. Y'all, this end of the counter, we already saw most of that last night, but this is what I had to go back to the store to do tonight. I just forgot a couple items, I guess. I don't know why me and this camera are not gelling. I guess I'm just going to hold it like this. This is not going to take but a minute or two. Okay, this is part 3 of my shopping. I had to go back because by special request, my daughter wanted some candy yams. So I went and got some yams. Tanya wanted some yams. So I went and got another pack of yams. I had to get me another piece of fat back to go in my greens. I'm just going to cook that, chop it. Just pour it on top of those greens. I needed a little bit more. You know, you have to have that good old fat meat in there. Okay, and then in my beef here, this is some beef fingers that I purchased. And I've also got some beef short ribs that I'm going to be cooking. I'm going to do those with a brown gravy. I just decided we need a little bit of beef for people that don't want pork and get tired of turkey. Okay, got my Nilla wafers and my instant pudding mix back there on the back to make that banana pudding. The milk back there. I had to get me some... this is I guess a Food Line brand of lemonade mix. Hold on, somebody's beating on my door. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Where was I? That was someone that, one of my neighbors, she wanted to share something with me, so I went and did that. So, okay. Anyway, got sweet potatoes for yams, my Nilla vanilla wafers, my instant pudding. That's what I use to make my banana pudding with. No, I don't do the cooked pudding because I like this one better. Okay, got my lemonade mix ready. Got my beef ready. Got my fat back that I'm going to cook and put some more in those greens because I didn't feel like I had enough when I tasted, sampled them. Got that extra cheese that I needed. Went to the bakery. Got all of my rolls and my bread and everything. These little hoagie buns here are going to be for the next day when we eat those sandwiches. But these will be for the dinner meal. We don't usually eat a lot of bread on Thanksgiving because we eat all the other stuff. And I also got some apple juice. We're going to be doing some hot apple cider. I got some mix to put in that. So, y'all, I'm telling y'all. Oh, and I had to get charcoal for the grill. So, I am telling you right now, I will not go back to the grocery store another time before Thanksgiving. I am done. Stick a pin in it because I am done with shopping for this Thanksgiving season. Now, we're going to start it over again for Christmas. So, hope y'all got all your shopping done and getting ready to get in that kitchen and get that meal going. I will, once I get this part 3 uploaded, I'm going to go ahead and do the collards and the sweet potato video that I did. But I wanted these videos to come 1, 2, 3. So, until Thanksgiving Day, more than likely, I'm going to say toodaloo because I am done for now. I might do a couple other dishes that I upload just to let you see what I'm cooking for Thanksgiving Day. So, you all enjoy this Tuesday night. I'm getting ready to eat some fish and vegetables and relax and enjoy a little bit. Then I'm going to get those ribs seasoned and ready tonight. That's one of the goals. Get my ribs that I'm going to put on the grill. I got to season the ribs, and I've got to season that turkey that I'm going to put on the grill. So I've already put the charcoal on the grill. In the morning early, I'm going to get up and light that fire, and I'm going to get those ribs and turkey on. So I'll probably video that, because I don't think I've ever done a turkey on the grill with you all. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to make what you call a turkey barbecue. And it'll be just like the North Carolina pork barbecue. To be fixed in the same way, only using turkey meat. Use the same seasoning. So tomorrow when I'm doing that, and I'll show you how we chop it up, and it tastes so good. It's for people who just don't like or cannot eat pork, but it tastes really, really good. So until tomorrow, y'all, get in the bed tonight early enough so you can get up bright and early in the morning and get that Thanksgiving dinner going now, so you can enjoy it on Thanksgiving Day. So love you guys. Hope you had a beautiful, wonderful day today. And as always, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Cook yourself something good tonight before you lay your head down. So until tomorrow, I'm going to say toodaloo. Love you.